जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ.
This year 2011 took along with it a number of Bollywood legends, leaving the industry bereaved. The biggest shocker came with the news of the legendary Dev Anand passing away due to cardiac arrest in London on the 4th of December. He ruled over Indian cinema for 60 years, and in his journey, this maverick actor and filmmaker starred in over 110 films, including all-time blockbusters like Hum Dono, Hare Rama Hare Krishna, Paying Guest, Guide, that were cherished as his most loved classics. Dev Anand's death definitely left us all mourning. Abhi na jao chhodkar.
Abhi na jao chhodkar.
Adding to the series of unfortunate incidents that rocked Bollywood, Shammi Kapoor passed away in Mumbai on 14th of August at the age of 79, leaving behind the rich heritage of his genius. Shammi ji was best known for his on-screen antics, mannerisms, and of course his outstanding dance moves. In fact, he was popularly known as the Elvis Presley of India. Shammi ji acted in around 100 films. He received 4 Filmfare Awards and was also bestowed with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2009. His internet-savvy ways and trademark Yahoo left such a lingering effect that it compelled the founder of an international website, Jerry Yang, to name his site after that. The melodious Jagjit Singh passed away at the age of 70 in Mumbai and left his fans, family humming one of his beautiful compositions. The soul-stirring voice behind Hazaro Khwahishe Aisi, Ye Kagaz Ki Kashti and Jhuki Jhuki Si Nazar left behind some glorifying work in music.
Jhuki Jhuki Si Nazar beqarar hai ki nahi,
for which he was also awarded with the highest state's award, the Padma Bhushan. He was the one who brought ghazals in mainstream Bollywood music. Celebrated Assamese lyricist, musician, singer, poet, filmmaker, and one of the most prominent cultural emissaries of India's northeast, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika died at the age of 85 on November 5th. Late Hazarika not only penned many songs but also set it on tune and sung many memorable songs in his illustrious career. Critically acclaimed art director Sameer Chanda was known for bringing the screen alive in films like Omkara, Guru, Rang De Basanti, Saat Khoon Maaf, Chittagong, and most recently Mausam. One of his finest work was seen in the critically acclaimed period film Bose, The Unforgotten Hero. Surendra Kapoor's contribution towards the Indian cinema goes much beyond the films he produced. His 3 sons, Boni, Anil and Sanjay Kapoor. In his long and illustrious career, the late Kapoor patriarch produced hits like Hum Paanch, Wo Saat Din, Loafar, Judai and Hamara Dil Aapke Paas Hai, among others. His last film as a producer was Anil Kapoor and Salman starrer No Entry, which rocked the box office in 2005. Jagmohan Mundhra. Hollywood-based filmmaker Jagmohan Mundhra passed away on 3rd of September at the age of 62. He was considered to be one of the most subjective filmmakers. But unfortunately, his dream to make a film on Congress President Sonia Gandhi remained unfulfilled. The master painter, who was also popularly known as Indian Picasso, died of cardiac arrest in London on 9th of June. He was 95. Known as much for his contemporary yet controversial art as his long list of muses, Maqbool Fida Hussain had also produced and directed films like Gajgamani and Meenakshi, with Madhuri Dixit and Tabu respectively. Hussain continued to hit the headlines with his bold art, self-imposed exile and fascination with Bollywood beauties. Besides these legends, Bollywood also lost one promising talent like Naveen Nishchal, Bob Christo and Goga Kapoor, who in their short careers managed to leave a lasting impression. Although these legends are not with us anymore, their contribution towards cinema and art would be cherished and remembered forever.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.